How much do you hate your job? Now, if you've clicked on this video, you obviously work a 9 to 5 job, right? And you're probably not happy with your job at the moment. You probably hate it. And I completely understand. I was in the exact same position as you, right? Now, if you guys don't know my story, my name is Alim and I quit my 9 to 5 job back in the UK. So I was working 9 to 5 jobs in the UK and I decided to take a big risk of my life, quit my job, move to Dubai, and now I run a 6-figure coaching business, right? Which has completely changed my life, allowed me to live here in Dubai from, obviously you can see from the background. And yeah, this is basically essentially where I live. And yeah, my life completely changed because I decided to quit my 9 to 5 job and actually try and start a business, right? And this is why I've titled this video, How Much Do You Hate Your Job? Because for a lot of you guys, you hate your job, but you're doing absolutely nothing about it. You're not trying to start an online business. You're not taking action. In fact, you're doing the same thing every single time, which is wake up early, go to your 9 to 5 job, come home, watch Netflix, play video games, and just not make a change, right? So you're basically not doing anything about it. And my question to you guys is, how do you expect your life to change when you yourself are not changing, right? If you're going to keep doing the same things in your life, you are going to get the same results. There is no random luck that's going to happen. Your money's not going to fall from the sky. You're not going to win the lottery, right? You need to take action. You need to take control of your life, because the only thing that you have in this world that you can actually do is control your life, control your actions. And when you start doing that, your life will start changing naturally. If you start taking the right actions, right, you will naturally get there. So rather than letting life decide where you should be, I think you guys should take life by the scruff of the neck and say, you know what, I'm actually going to make a decision and I'm actually going to do something and I'm going to get that regardless. I speak to a lot of people who want to start an online business. They all tell me, I want to start an online business, but when it comes to actions, they do nothing about it. In fact, they stay in the same spot every single day. Every single year, they stay in the same spot. Every single year, they stay in the same spot, right? Because they don't try and take action. They don't actually get to a point where they say, you know what, I'm going to actually make a big difference. I'm going to actually change something and I'm actually going to do something. They don't start anything. So do you want to be that same person? Because if you want to be that same person, then yeah, by all means, do exactly what you're doing right now, because nothing's going to change. So you need to make a change. You have to understand one thing, right? In your life, let's even work it out. Are you happy right now with the 9 to 5 salary? 9 to 5 salary, 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand if you're lucky, right? A month is absolutely nothing. It's not enough. And when you understand an online business can make you 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, 100 grand, a million, you can make all of this in a month. There are people within the industry that I'm doing making all of this a month, right? Now, just before I continue the video, if you guys do need any help with starting your own online business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, right, and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you, right? And yeah, so my point is, you need to start something. Now, what business model could you guys start? Because again, there are so many different business models out there. Because I've done drop shipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube full-time as well. And none of those business models actually made me that much money, right? And then I started a coaching program, and coaching is something I actually did briefly previously, but I've learned a lot from coaching. It actually changed my life considerably. And I started a coaching business, made 10 grand in my first month. And obviously now I'm helping other people do exactly the same. Now, the thing is, right, the difference between coaching, the difference between all these other business models, the other business models, they don't work straight away. You can't make money fast. You can't really scale that well. And it's very difficult for beginners, right? Whereas with a coaching business, you're already teaching something that you're already good at, right? So for most people, they've already got a skill that they can teach and you just teach it to someone else. You're already good at that skill. So you can just do that. And this is something I help with in my program, by the way, as I mentioned. The link is in the description. If you do need any help, if you do need any one-to-one help, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call. Now, choose a skill that you're good at, sell it to clients, and you'll make money. It's literally as simple as that, right? So my next question, do you want to start a business that gives you freedom? Because a coaching program gives you freedom. And I know this because it's completely changed my life. Like, look at me right now. I'm just walking around randomly on a random weekday, around my apartment, around my area. And yeah, it's all good. It's all easy. I don't have to worry about work tomorrow. I don't have to set an alarm. In fact, I can't remember when the last time I set an alarm clock was. And I'm just literally living life to the level I want to live. So this is it. This is why my life's completely changed. This is what I'm doing right now. And I don't have to wake up to an alarm. I don't have a boss to answer to. I work for myself. I work anywhere I want. And this is completely the life that I wanted. This is the reason why I went into online business in the first place, because I wanted to completely change my life. I wanted to be in a position where I can actually say, you know what, this is something I'm happy with. I'm happy with working for myself. I'm happy with doing what it is that I'm doing at the moment. And I can wake up when I want. I wanted freedom ultimately, right? I actually wanted freedom. And a lot of people, yeah, they start physical businesses without realizing that you're not going to get freedom. They don't realize how hard it is. They don't realize that they have staff to pay. They don't realize that they have to put a lot of money in. Whereas with an online business, you don't have to do that. Trust me, you do not have to do that. The only money I'd recommend putting in is investing in yourself, into coaching, right? Because coaching is very important. It's going to teach you what you need to do and basically avoid all the mistakes, right? Which the person's made. So whoever you invest in, whether that's me, whether that's someone else, doesn't matter. My main thing is just invest in someone that you want to live the life of, and they can get you there much quicker because they'll tell you ways to get there without making the mistakes that they made, right? But yeah, like I need you guys to understand that if you want to actually change your life, you have to start. How much do you hate your 9-to-5 job? I knew how much I hated my job. Oh my days. I hated my job so much, man. And I worked in, let's even go through it one by one. I worked in Argos, right? Argos was ridiculous. We had to do deliveries in the freezing cold. Imagine 6 a.m. outside, cages with products in them, and I had to move these cages, and like they were so cold, and yeah, it wasn't great. It wasn't great. Then I worked in World Duty Free, and World Duty Free was terrible because they were very like controlling. You were in a warehouse, there's no windows, it's all dark, so it's terrible, right? That wasn't great either. Then I went to Sky, started off in a call center, and yeah, that was terrible. Work politics, and you know, managers think they're above everyone and all this crap. Then in the media operator within Sky as well, I was doing like media stuff, and I thought that was a good job at the time, but quickly realized that every job is the same, to the point where I am now, living here in Dubai, making money online, making more money than everyone I went to school with, making more money than everyone I worked with, including the managers, right? And my life is completely changed because I took a risk. And in fact, I would argue, right, I've got the best business in the world because I have freedom, because I can do what I want. I don't have to, like, even a physical business to a certain extent isn't freedom. You don't have freedom essentially with a physical business, unless you've grown it to a certain level. But you know what I'm trying to say? Like, you don't have that much freedom with a physical business. But I have this with my online business. I can work on my online business wherever I am. This is, again, one of the main reasons I started my coaching program, because I wanted freedom. I didn't want to work for anyone else. I didn't want to do things on someone else's time. I wanted to work for myself. So that's why I started a coaching program. This is exactly the reason why I did it. And when I started it, look, the thing is, right, a lot of you guys are working a job. You might not want to do content. You might not want to put your face out there. But look, you need to understand one thing, right? People are going to talk anyway. People are going to say a lot of stuff. Like when I started doing this coaching thing, a lot of my family didn't understand. A lot of my friends didn't understand. Everyone thought I was crazy. Obviously, a lot of people still gave me support, to be fair, but they didn't understand it. And that's okay. Like, it's okay. People won't understand it. But when you start making money, when you start doing well for yourself, then people will understand. Trust me. I have been through that. People might not understand in the beginning, but when you start making money, people will understand. So don't ever let that put you off. Don't ever let like people's opinions put you off, because ultimately you just want to make money. Ultimately, you want to change your life. Ultimately, you want to be in a position where you can look back one day and say, you know what, thank God I took that. Thank God I tried. Thank God I took action. Because that's what a lot of people don't do nowadays. A lot of people don't take action. A lot of people are stagnant. A lot of people say, I will start on Monday. I will start next week. I will start next month. I will start next year. And it never ever happens. So if you're watching this video, and this is the reason, again, why I've titled this, How Much Do You Hate Your Job? Is because I'm genuinely asking you watching this video, how much do you hate your job? Do you really hate it enough to start an online business that can change your life and take you to a place like Dubai, where I'm at currently, walking around my apartment? As you guys can see, right, it is amazing. And in the UK, if I tried to walk around at this time, I'd probably be stabbed and I'd probably get robbed. But you know what I'm trying to say? Like, this is it. But I have freedom, right? And I don't have to just live in Dubai. I can live in Qatar. I can live in the US. I can go anywhere I want because I have global freedom. And one of the biggest things about an online business isn't that you can make money, right? Yeah, you can make money. You can live well. You can make 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand a month. But it's not just that. It's freedom. And that's something you will never, ever get in a 9-to-5 job. You will never ever get freedom in your 9 to 5 job. You'll always have a boss to answer to. You'll always have to wake up at a certain time. Even if you work from home, you still have to follow tasks. You still have to do things. It's not the way. So that's why I ask you guys, how much do you hate your job? How much do you hate your job that you're going to say, you know what, I'm going to take a risk, take some action, invest in myself, and start an online business that will eventually lead me to Dubai, Florida, I don't know, anywhere you want really, wherever you want to live. An online business will allow you that. An online business will allow that to happen. So if you do need any help, as I said already, the link is in the description. Book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call with you, explain how this business model works and how you can actually make money from it. Or alternatively, if you do want a full in-depth guide on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.